The new Acura NSX is a vastly different machine from the lightweight, rear-wheel drive, naturally aspirated car that preceded it. The U.S.-built car of today is equipped with no fewer than 3 electric motors assisting its mid-mounted twin-turbo V6. One driving each front wheel and one boosting the power to the rear wheels. In other words, this new NSX is a much more complex machine than its ancestor. That might change soon. However, British magazine Autocar spoke to the man in charge of the NSX project, Ted Glass, who says up to 5 different variants of the new NSX could be forthcoming. Honda would like to use the Performance Manufacturing Center, the plant where the NSX is built, to produce several different versions of the car in order to maximize the return on its investment. That could mean everything from an all-electric version to a lightweight, non-hybrid NSX. Removing the electric motors from the drivetrain of the NSX would mean no more power to the front wheels. Does this mean we could get the rear-wheel drive, lightweight NSX we've always wanted? Klaus says that making a more pure, simplified version was in some ways more straightforward. He added that there's an appetite for it in Honda's ranks. A Type R variant, Klaus said, should be the most focused version of any platform. There is also talk of an open-top variant of the Acura Supercar. We can dream one day about it losing its top, Klaus said.